All right, we're here today to show you the Buckleguy hand-operated rotary hole machine. It's a heavy-duty machine, weighs about 60 pounds, a really industrial-type machine that's going to last you for years. Basically what it is we've got a couple of different adjustments on it. We've cut some straps using our BG strap cutter. I think they're all weighing either 8 to 10 or 10 to 12. Checking the gauge on the leather so we know what we're doing. It comes with a couple of different parts. It comes with the handle not assembled onto it. You have to do that yourself. And this piece here, this gets assembled. It's a guide for the length. It also comes with the tools, the Allen wrench for the handles, and 3 different size holes, and it comes with 2 of each of those. It comes with a brass mandrel. The brass mandrel goes underneath where the hole punch is going to hit, and basically we can lower that and higher that up. But it's going to get worn out in time, so you can either sand it or polish it, and then there's an extra backup if you need it. So on the controls of the machine, this hand dial here operates the mandrel here up and down, so you can adjust it accordingly. This one here will adjust the guide. This is the guide here that goes between here for the strap to go in. Those can go anywhere from 1/2 inch up to 3 inch. And there's a guide here for the size of the holes. I'm sorry, the distance of the holes between each one. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to take the strap. Of course, you should always wear safety glasses. It's going to feed underneath here, and I'm going to adjust the guide so that it's free-flowing. You don't want it tight because it won't feed it through. You want it somewhat loose, but not loose where it's going to move around. I'm going to move it up underneath here, and basically I've got this set up to do some close holes. And it's a real, when you use this machine, you really got to put some force into it. So you really should have it screwed down. We have it just on these clamps for photography, but normally I suggest screwing it down because it really does need a lot of pressure. So you're going to grab this handle here. You're just going to feed the straps through and give it some go. It's going to automatically feed and give you all the holes that you need, as you can see in here. Now the other thing that's great about this machine is the distance. Right here, this is one distance that's set up. It's all the same. You can take this adjustment on the side here, pull the crank down, and you can change the distance. And again, you can use this for just doing a couple holes for belt, or you can do it all the way down, or whatever your design takes you. So we're going to try this little bit bigger one. Again, put it under here, check your guide, get it set up, and give it some force. And here you go. By adjusting it, we now have closer holes. And you can go anywhere from 1/2 inch to 2 inch between holes. It's a great machine. Try it. We suggest it for holes for all different kinds of projects.